Hey, I'm Ty Pennington from HGTV's Rock the Block. Let's face it, people say a lot of stuff about me on social media, but today, I'm reading the comments. Then and now, Ty could always get it. Ty Pennington can move my bus anytime. So yes, my party trick is usually being the first to break the news that Ty Pennington's first name is Tiger. That's not a big party trick. That's kind of just a Google. But party on. Party on. Okay, next up. Can Ty try not to shout so much? The great news is now I shout in more of a loud whisper. This is one of my favorites. I'd like to thank Ty Pennington for remaining my kind of hot. Thanks, Ty. For what it's worth, Ty Pennington is the Guy Fieri of HGTV. Hey guys, what do you think of your room? I took it to Flavor Town. Rome wasn't built in a day, but Ty Pennington probably could do it in 7. You know what? I have to admit, I like this one. It's true. Ty Pennington, at 56, looks like he wants to sell me hallucinogenic tea.